She gives you attitude. She gives you pizzazz. She says, I'm here, honey. I'm here and I'm here to stay.
Hey y'all, hey, and today I'm going to show you how I get the perfect asymmetrical bob. If you aren't aware, this is the exact same wig that I have been doing in my wig series, How to Make a Wig 101. So at the end of this video, make sure you check out those videos, but let's get into it. So I first go ahead with my hot comb. I like to mold everything down and make sure that all my hair is in the same direction. Now I'm just parting out where I want my little baby hair to be. Now how I like to do it is I make a little triangle, as you can see. I take my clip and I move the other hair out of the way. So as I section it, my goal is to really just get a good amount of hair so that I can make a nice little swoopy-doop. I comb it all down so that it's all in the same direction. And then I can just cut it on an angle at about, a couple inches because I don't want it to be a long baby hair. I kind of just eyeball it and I like it to be about maybe 1 to 2 inches long. And then just cut the thing on an angle and get all I need and start moosing it down so that I can swoop it down to the side. Now my goal for using a hot comb right after I use mousse obviously is so that I can mold it in place. I really don't want it to go anywhere. So this is how I do it. I mean, I know everybody has their own method, but I didn't want to use any gel and make it real hard. So this is the perfect way to have a soft baby hair. Now I'm going in and I'm parting each section so that I can just straighten it out. There's no rhyme or reason to it because I'm obviously going to curl it at the end, but I like it to be nice and straight before I cut it so that I can get a nice even cut. Now that she is straight, I can go in and I can begin cutting. Now, I already knew that I wanted an asymmetrical cut, but I wasn't quite sure how much I wanted to cut or what length I wanted it to be at. So I just kind of went in so I can get a basis of what I wanted. And personally, for me, it is hard to cut on a canvas head. So I kind of went around and I am going to cut, as you can see throughout the video, I'm going to cut it all evenly and then I will perfect it towards the end once I put it on an actual mannequin head. Now I'm going in with my flat iron because I want to straighten it slash give it a little bend because I want to get a good idea of what I'm going to cut and how I'm going to cut it once I put it on my mannequin head. Now that I have the wig on my mannequin head, I can get a more precise cut. I know that I want it to be high low, on one side, that one side to be really long. So the mannequin head is super useful because obviously you can see the shoulders and it's almost like I was cutting on a real person. So now I go in and I section it part by part from the back all the way to the top, and then I can get the perfect cut that I'm looking for. Now that it's on a mannequin head, you can really see that the right side is shorter, and I went ahead and I gradually cut it to get longer and longer and longer as the wig went to the left side. Now I'm gonna flat iron it like for real, and I'm gonna get the nice bend that I want for the style. Look at that flow. Oh my goodness. I mean, it is giving body, it is giving life, and I am so happy with how it turned out. And you know I had to try her on because hello, it's for me at the end of the day. So just look at that flow. Oh my gosh. Don't you just want one? Ooh. If you haven't already, please like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you next time.